Hello and welcome back to Medical. Thank you for connecting with me again. Today I am going to discuss with you Arun Digler, one of the famous pharmaceuticals, that is Sunshine Nutrients produces the effervescent multivitamin tablets. We need to take as a daily supplements according to the RDA recommended daily allowance as a national dietary supplements and national nutrition center which recommending these products for the daily supplements has a multivitamin. According to the Sunshine Nutrition, they are producing the world first multivitamin in the form of effervescent tablets. No need to worry about we need to have a swallowing problems the people are suffering from, that also can easily invest by using these friends. The overview of this multivitamin by Sunshine is it is a comprehensive formula, scientifically balanced, supports the overall health. It contains the vitamins and minerals as recommended to treat the vitamin deficiency friends. It contains the antioxidants that invades the problematic disease. Day to day men and women are suffering from their diseases, that also prevents the cancer type of disease, that antioxidant mainly helpful in that friends, and future problems can easily invest by using this. The mainly according to the RDA recommended daily allowance, our daily nutrition which contains the vitamins is the essential thing which produces the energy and also converts into the ATP, which is also this multivitamin you have using the effervescent means we can also reduces the drowsiness, tiredness and make them fresh feeling sensation because of the frustration also caused by using these friends. Frustrations can easily remove by using this. It also helps the metabolism increasing. The men and women, they are suffering from metabolism, they can't able to digestion problems. It also may aids to the vitamin B to aids the metabolism facts and reduces the carbohydrates and also helps in the gastric issues friends, gastrology. It also helps in the diabetic patients because the diabetic patients are daily they are suffering from of increasing blood sugar or reducing blood sugar, that also easily invades by using this. Diabetic neuropathy can also helpful in that friends. It also makes the shield to the human body friends because of mainly the immunity shield is the main thing which protects our body from the enormous number of disease which are attacking us in daily friends, that also can easily prevent by using this. It also helps in the different types of disease, that also gives a healthy eye vision, that is the vitamin A is the night night blindness which are reducing having the deficiency mean the night blindness can also easily helpful in this. This also helps in the anti-aging flawless beauty forever friends, and also makes the bodybuilding. These effervescent tablets makes them the bodybuilding and increases the energy, make relief anxiety. Those who are finishing the gym, their exercise workouts means they can take the daily 1 tablets or 2 tablets daily. They will reduces the all anxiety problems, reduces the drowsiness by using these friends. It is a world first pharmaceuticals that produces the effervescent in the form of multivitamins friends. It also what is the ingredients and supplement facts I'm going to tell you. It contains an enormous number of vitamins, that is whatever the according to the RDA and FDA, which is vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, B2 and B1, folic acid, biotin and vitamin butyl. It also increases the vitamins in the form of in the blood, increases the plasma level, maintains the proper level of blood in our body friends. If you are worrying about where we need to get these effervescent tablets means, I will give you the description link there itself. If you are having any doubts, just comment it, I will help there itself friends. I will comment you, reback you, I will come back with the friends. It is available in Amazon itself, there itself I have given the description link has a discounted price, there itself you can get this medicine friends. It is not a medicine, it is made of the supplements for our daily life. What is the direction to use means we need to use as these effervescent tablets for daily 2 tablets, that is it is a effervescent tablets only, not a made of tablets. It is made to use means adults and children over 12 years. It contains the tablets that we need to dissolve in 200 ml of glass of water daily to make the refreshing drinks like it should be. But one thing, no need to exceed the stated dietary intake. We need to take only 1 tablet per daily. This and all friends, thank you for connecting with me. I'll come back with another video. Till that, keep supporting us. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon, all notifications. Thank you.